Good morning, everyone. Today's episode is called Manic Monday, and that's exactly what this is going to be. I have 4 different job sites going today. I'm going to bring you along. I'm going to show you what's going on. We got the landscaping going down over here. I have the sod delivery behind me. We have finished work continuing at Hicksville number 2. We have disconnects at Hicksville number 3, where we're going to be knocking down the house in a couple weeks. I'm going to also bring you by the other sites and hopefully share some valuable insight in the process. We're standing in front of my latest project. This is going to be referred to as Hicksville number 3. This one's actually a custom build for one of my main investors. It's a big house to start with, but it's pretty old inside. We want it to start fresh. We're gonna knock the house down. This is gonna be one of the craziest houses ever built in Hicksville, with a 10-foot basement and 4,000 square feet of living space. I can't wait to bring you guys on this journey, and today is day number 1. We are absolutely on fire today. My Monday could not possibly be going any better. I've already received the sod delivery, had the sprinkler adjustments done. The crew has started with the disconnects at Hicksville number 3. I just got the tile delivery for Hicksville number 2. The carpenter is going to be finishing up the trim, tile starting tomorrow, and I cannot have asked for a better day, a better week, a better month. Everything's rolling and entering the craziest part of my life ever as far as building goes. I'm feeling under control, and I'm feeling like everything is where it's gotta be to finish up the year strong. I'm over here at Town Hall right now in Oyster Bay. I can't believe how amazing the day is going. It's not even 12 o'clock. Everything's falling into place. I went up there, I paid for my permit, I provided the insurance certificate for the electrician, and now they're typing it up for me. I should be leaving here in about half an hour, and if all goes well, I'll be digging that hole and starting the foundation later in the week. So I basically worked all weekend, and when you do that, some of those errands that you normally get done over the weekend, like getting a car wash or housework, I get stuck doing during the week sometimes, and despite my crazy morning and bouncing around all over the place, I'm able to sneak away and get this car wash so I don't have to sit in those morning or afternoon lines. Today has been one of the best Mondays I've had in the longest time. It's about 6 o'clock right now. Everything went according to plan today. The landscapers are wrapping up. They put down the last piece of sod a few minutes ago. They're cleaning everything up. I'm getting ready to hose everything down and fire up the sprinklers. And just been an extremely productive day. I got a phone call about a half an hour ago from my excavator. If you guys recall earlier in the episode, we picked up a permit for our next build at Plainview number 1. And they told me basically we can get you in tomorrow, or we can get you in after the extended 4th of July weekend. They're going to be giving their guys an extra couple of days off. So I said, forget it, I'll see you tomorrow. I called up my surveyor, and we got all the points we need to start digging, and the rest of the information will arrive tomorrow. But I could not have asked for things to work out better today. And this is what a manic Monday, what a crazy summer Monday looks like for me, or just about any crazy working day. You know, I don't normally have 4 crews out, and I'm not normally doing all these things in one day, but this is a typical super crazy day for me. And if you like what you see, follow me on Instagram at Pinnacle Real Estate, and don't forget to subscribe to this vlog and like this video and comment below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.